So the strike is suspended from today. Minute gun down and pen down strike called by All Manipur BDF Employees Welfare Association has been kept suspension for 2 months. Following an assurance given by the state government to the Central Committee of All Manipur BDF Employees Welfare Association, the indefinite gun down and pen down strike has been kept in suspension for 2 months. Today, that is 17 May 2025, a team of Central Committee leaders met with the Commissioner Home and SPs Imphal West and Imphal East at the office chamber of Commissioner Home. The state government has assured the committee that it will be implement the grievances of BDF personnel within the specific timeline. The demands include the implementation of Section 18 of the Police Act 1861 and another point, pay increase, and lastly, service regulation. The association has agreed to suspend the indefinite gun down and pen down strike for 2 months suspension pending fulfillment of this assurance. We expect that the state government to honor its commitment and address our long-standing demands within the given timeline period, that is 2 months. So we announce the government authorities, police department, and mainly BDF members of All Manipur BDFs. So the strike is suspended from today.